alcohol terminology can get really confusing. Like, what is the difference between spirit, liquor and liqueur? Or is wine or beer same as spirit? Let us tell you, spirits and liquor are one and the same thing. They are a hard or maybe the hardest alcohol product made by distillation, often around 40% ABV, that is, alcohol by volume. These drinks are possibly flavored, but always unsweetened. So spirit or liquor, whatever you may call it, it refers to alcoholic spirits as a whole, including distilled beverages made from grains, fruits, vegetables or sugar. Liquor is different from other types of alcohol like beer or wine. Why? Because of its significantly higher alcohol by volume percentage. Beer and wine are much lower in alcohol because they have not been distilled, whereas liquor has undergone a process of distillation. Now, let's understand the difference between liquor and liqueur. Liqueurs are a type of liquor, but the difference is that most liqueur are made from a base spirit. Flavors and spices are added for desired results. The final output beverage is usually with more sugar and flavor, but with a weaker alcohol content. Liqueurs are typically used as a flavor enhancer in mixed cocktails. That is why today we have a huge variety of liqueurs available. Stay tuned and subscribe to us for such short, amazing videos. And don't forget to press the bell icon.